You know the drill. Long nights spent hunched over spreadsheets, manually entering sales data from your Epos Now system into Xero for accounting. Frustrating, right? Time you could be spending focusing on growing your business, not data entry. Well, what if I told you there's a way to automate this entire process? That's right. With the magic of integration, Epos Now and Xero can become best buds, seamlessly syncing your data and saving you precious time. Intrigued? Buckle up, because in this video we're diving deep into how to integrate Epos Now with Xero, step by step. By the end, you'll be a data syncing pro, ready to reclaim your evenings and focus on what matters most, crushing your business goals. Before we jump in, a quick heads up. There are a few things you'll need to have ready. An Epos Now account with your back office unlocked. That's the online management portal. A Xero subscription, any plan will work. And of course, a cup of your favorite beverage, because this process is about to get a whole lot smoother. Alright, with the prep out of the way, let's get integrating. Step 1. Finding the Xero app in Epos Now. First things first, we need to locate the Xero app within your Epos Now back office. Head over to the App Store section, and in the search bar, type in Xero. It should pop right up. Step 2. Installation time. Once you've found the Xero app, click Get to initiate the installation. Here, you might be prompted to choose which locations within your business will utilize the integration. Select all that apply and proceed to the payment section. The good news is the Xero app is a one-time purchase, so no ongoing subscription fees to worry about. Step 3. Configuring the Xero integration. Now comes the exciting part, configuration. Head back to the App Store and locate the Xero app again. This time, click on Xero Console to open the integration settings. Here's where you'll establish the connection between Epos Now and Xero. Step 4. Authorizing the connection. The Xero console will ask you to authorize the connection with your Xero account. Don't worry, this is a secure process. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and log in to your Xero account when prompted. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to the Xero console within Epos Now. Step 5. Matching accounts and tax rates. Here's where things get specific. The Xero console allows you to match your Epos Now accounts with their corresponding counterparts in Xero. This ensures your sales data gets categorized correctly when it syncs over. The same goes for tax rates. Epos Now will display a list of your tax rates, and you'll need to match them with the relevant tax rates you've set up in Xero. This ensures accurate tax calculations for your financial reports. Step 6. Initial synchronization. Now that everything's matched up, it's time to initiate the initial synchronization. This process pulls your existing customer, product, and supplier data from Epos Now and imports it into Xero. This way, your historical data is also accounted for. Step 7. Choosing your sync method. Epos Now offers two sync methods: individual sync and daily summary sync. Individual sync sends every single sale as a separate transaction to Xero. While detailed, it can create a lot of data to reconcile later. Daily summary sync, on the other hand, compiles all your sales for the day into a single transaction in Xero. This is a cleaner approach for record keeping, but it doesn't offer the same level of individual transaction detail. The choice depends on your specific needs. If you require highly granular data, individual sync might be the way to go. But for most businesses, the daily summary sync provides a good balance between detail and manageability. Step 8. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the automation. With the configuration complete and your sync method chosen, you're all set. Epos Now and Xero will now work their magic behind the scenes, automatically syncing your sales data on a regular basis. No more manual data entry, no more wasted time. You can finally focus on what truly matters, growing your business and taking it to the next level. So there you have it. With Epos Now and Xero integrated, you can finally kiss manual data entry goodbye and unlock a world of efficiency and streamlined accounting. Remember, time saved is money earned. And with these two powerhouses working together, you can focus on what you do best, running a thriving business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.